Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Want to build your own income from home? In this video, I'll show you how to start your own business from scratch, right from your bedroom, kitchen, or garage. Start with what you know or love. It could be baking, tutoring, graphic design, whatever you're good at or passionate about. Ask yourself, what skills do I already have? What do people always ask me for help with? Next, check if there's demand. Search online forums, Facebook groups, and marketplaces. Are people paying for what you offer? You don't need a million rands idea, just something useful to someone. Now plan your basics. What will you sell? How will you deliver it? How much will it cost? And how will you get customers? In most countries, you can register your small business online. It's affordable and fast. You can also open a business bank account and get a simple invoice system. Don't wait until everything is perfect. Launch with what you've got. Your first sale is the start of real learning. Starting small is how every big business begins. So take the first step today. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your business idea.